welcome, welcome, welcome. Another vlog in the house. Another vloggy vlog. As my back is exposed because I didn't tuck in my shirt and now I'm chilly. It's actually not so bad out today. It's right now it's about 45, 44. And the high today is 60 degrees. And for early March, that is pretty freaking good. That's pretty freaking good. That just means that we're gonna have snow in May. That's how it works in New York. But we'll see. And look at all that salt. See all that salt everywhere? Look at that shit. Brutal. Brutality. Today a new coworker starts, so I gotta like onboard her a little bit and do some stuff like that. Then I got a busy day at work today. I have a lineup of things that I gotta write a to-do list. I'm actually anxiously waiting to write a to-do list as soon as I get to the office. I like a good to-do list. Do you guys do a to-do list? That's gonna be the name of this vlog, the to-do list. I don't know, because sometimes it's easy to get overwhelmed by a bunch of small tasks, you know, because like right now I have to do like 8 small tiny tasks and none of them are, bro, what are you doing? That guy's fucking turning into me. None of them are crazy big and they're not gonna take me long, but the fact that there's like 30 of them just gives me a little bit of anxiety. Is there a red light camera? I don't think so, but we'll kind of make sure we make it across. Make sure this Acura here doesn't do anything rash. Oh boy. I'll pull over right here. I'm actually in the very front. Is that an illegal move? Probably. Yeah, long story short, to-do list. Good. No, thank you. Good Lord, that was a lot of action. And then I got this super important document I gotta look over and to make sure it's complete, and I'm willing to bet I'm gonna find some mistakes. This lease document, I'm thinking too hard. See, as soon as I start thinking about it, I start stressing myself out. But when I think about it realistically, it's not a big deal. Anyway, let's focus on the ride. Let's not focus on little paperwork right now. Nice. A nice little step up. Who knew we'd get a little bit of a open road? I like that. I like that a lot. Who freaking knew? Guessing there's gonna be traffic inevitably coming up anytime now. But this is lovely. Oh, imagine getting some speed every morning. I don't get any speed in the morning. I get crawling and creeping like this. That's all I get. I'm gonna try to take this exit to the right. Is it possible? It might be. All right, boys and girls, we're back. That was a little bit of splitting, including going past popos and other things. And now we're back. Now we're back on the good old vlog. think this Dodge is trying to dodge into the other lane. Hopefully not. I don't think so. I think it's just driving like a little princess, which is lovely. Oh, what a beautiful day. And it was so nice to get a burst of speed there. That's exciting. I don't even need these gloves today. Kind of an overkill. Are you turning there, buddy, or are you just fucking holding this lane for no good reason? I do like this exit. It's kind of messy, but kind of fun at the same time. And look at all the salt. Look at the salt. Look at that shit. Craziness. Wild craziness. And I take a right here. Nobody's there. Just like so. Behind this Volvo. Gorgeous. My bike just got warmed up, so probably should have still been in the driveway, you know, waiting. But that'll work. There I am, reflecting in the window. Yeah, so now it's freaking warm again, and I meant to send out the dials, because dials gonna be gone for 10 days to get fixed. I meant to send them out in the thick of winter storms, and guess what? There's no winter storms. So now I'm just gonna have to do it. And well, I meant to do a couple of bicycle vlogs anyway, so it's totally fine. This guy is going quite slow. Is there a speed camera here? I don't believe so, but let's double check. There is a speed camera over there. Just want to make sure I'm going the speed limit. Don't need any extra curricular pricey adventures for no reason. And folks double parked. There we are. This is so much easier than going through Dumbo. Even though I like Dumbo. Dumbo is pretty and all. But sometimes it gets stressful with all the construction. This way I kind of just scoop in from the back, and everything is lovely. And I like the back bumpy area, because I could take a left over there and kind of swoop in from the street I actually need, but we'll do this. We'll do this. All right. 1, 2. You got it. Step on it. Look, it's a race. It's a bicycle race. Hell yeah. Green light? Maybe? Kinda? Sorta? Yes? Go. Construction worker, probably gonna tell me to stop or some shit. Hopefully not. This is the game of parking. Ooh, gotta get some fucking stuff from that bakery one of these days. The parking game. Let's see, oh, there's a spot right there. What is this? A Friday. Yeah. Worst comes to worst, we go back to this street, but I don't think it will come to that. I really don't think it will come to that. I think we will find the spot on these blocks here. Maybe even this block right there. There's a spot. here. Yeah, these guys are stopped. That would be a fine spot. What about right here? In front of this guy. We'll get around. Always the parking game. Thank you. Sorry, everybody. Everybody's upset. I get it. Which way are you going there, bro? I'll pull over here. No standing any time. Probably park right here, but this spot is shitty as fuck. I hate this. We're parking over here, the original spot. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Nobody's too upset. Park close to this Beamer as close as possible. That way, if the Honda needs to pull out, they got room, and the Beamer is not going to need to go forward for any reason anyway. So that's good. Look how dirty this fucking bitch is. Anyway, there it is. That was the ride. Parking is getting tighter and tighter just because of all this construction. All this construction. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? It's time for me to go and get some of this shit done. Write a to-do list, boys and girls. Write a to-do list.